Coffee drinkers may be found all over the world, but in Western nations in particular, the tendency is far more prevalent than in other regions. Coffee makers come in a variety of models, and consumers spend a lot of money on them. The inability to distinguish between right and wrong can occasionally lead to issues. In light of this, I have chosen a few of the top espresso makers with grinders that can produce the greatest coffee. Let's briefly discuss their features. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Muhammad Salman. Basically, I am a content creator and content writer. In this video I am going to explore some of the best product for you. I have carefully reviewed these and written a complete and easy description. Watch the video until the end, so don't miss anything. Let's go to the video and start exploring the products. The product number 1 of today's video, which title is Espresso Maker and Grinder Coffee Maker, with automatic programmable, centrifugal and brewing capabilities. If I move on its description, this coffee maker with Wi-Fi is quite strong. It features a water line that doesn't require regular refills. High-quality coffees like foamy cold brew and espresso-rich robust filter coffee may be made with this espresso machine. Additionally, it is a cutting-edge programmed coffee maker with a precision burr grinder that grinds whole coffee beans to the ideal consistency seconds before brewing, and a revolutionary centrifugal brewing system that unlocks the coffee's various taste profiles. Additionally, you have complete control over this espresso maker and grinder via the Spin app. Coffee can be easily made from your room bed or from your desk at work. You can put a bag of coffee beans in your cup, sit in a comfortable spot, and start enjoying your coffee right away once it begins to brew. This gadget contains a G-force centrifuge that mixes water and coffee at varying speeds to extract distinct flavor profiles. For the best individualized coffee cup, it is a basic cold brew and coffee maker. I heartily suggest this espresso machine because it comes with disposable filters and pods, which ensure that no coffee beans are wasted, and that you may have full-flavored, wonderful coffee. If I move on its specifications, special feature is Wi-Fi enable, programmable. Product dimensions is 13.2-inch depth, 8.6-inch width and 14.1-inch height. Filter type is reusable. Material is plastic. The product number 2 of this video is a small, metallic, and slim, semi-automated espresso maker with a grinder and intelligent dosage. If I move on its description, the metal construction of this espresso maker and grinder gives it great strength. For many years, it will remain a dependable and high-quality model, thanks to the metal-clad finish that adds to its elegance. This equipment eliminates the need for you to estimate whether the coffee beans are ground appropriately. With the use of intelligent technology, it grinds coffee correctly, allowing you to make it in 1 or 2 shots by just pressing a button. This espresso machine's multi-angle steam feature makes it simple to set the wand in your milk jug at the ideal angle, enabling you to make rich foam or steamed milk for a range of drinks at home. Additionally, you may use the fastest heating technology in this contemporary machine to quickly heat your coffee water to your preferred temperature and make it drinkable. It will notify you when it needs to be cleaned, so you don't even need to bother about that. All you need to do is be aware of it and wait for its announcement. Once you receive the message, you must properly clean it. It has a strong 15-bar pump that delivers the ideal water pressure for creating a richly flavored espresso shot. I strongly suggest this product because of its superb utilization of contemporary technology, which has greatly pleased me. If I move on its specifications, special feature is auto shutoff, removable tank. Product dimensions is 11-inch depth, 13.1-inch width and 15.4-inch height. Filter type is reusable. Material is metal. The product number 3 of this video is fully automatic, easy maintenance and auto cleaning, espresso maker with grinder and milk foam system. If I move on its description, it is possible to make both freshly ground and pre-ground coffee with this espresso machine. Depending on your mood, you can appreciate both. Additionally, this machine has adjustable parts. For example, you can adjust the temperature, volume, and coffee strength to suit your individual taste. Everything can be configured to suit your preferences. Furthermore, it allows 10 users to create their own profiles and select the coffee they want. Additionally, using this digital coffee maker doesn't require any prior experience. You can see everything clearly on its 7-inch touchscreen. By clicking the button on the screen, you can make and consume your preferred cup of coffee. Additionally, It's helpful that you may select the dual coffee drip option to have 2 cups of coffee simultaneously from this espresso machine with grinder. Moreover, its coffee waste bin, water tank, and drip tray are all dishwasher safe and detachable. These factors all work together to make this espresso maker stress-free. The fact that this machine can produce 19 different types of coffee, including cappuccino, americano, latte, macchiato, espresso, flat white, and many more, is what I appreciate best about it. For this reason, I heartily endorse this espresso maker. If I move on its specifications, special feature is programmable. Product dimensions is 22.04-inch depth, 12.79-inch width and 13.66-inch height. Filter type is reusable. Material is plastic. The product number 4 of the video is conical shaped, brushed stainless steel, espresso maker with a grinder, and reusable filters. If I move on its description, this Barista Express espresso maker with grinder creates third-wave specialty coffee. Since no regional coffee machine forms 4 points, it is incredibly quick. It only takes a minute from coffee beans to espresso, and all it takes is 1 click to have your espresso ready. You have control over how it is ground, so you can get the flavor you want. The freshly ground coffee enters the filter, and tastes like roasted beans. Additionally, this espresso maker features a digital temperature control feature that lets you adjust the water's temperature to obtain the most espresso possible. You may create hand-carved patterns and other designs using this machine. It has handcrafted microfoam milk texturing, which improves hand workmanship and adds further. It comes in various sizes for grinding coffee bean. Concerning the size of the bean, there is no need to worry. You may get the best coffee by grinding your beans in it without hesitation. Numerous features are available with this coffee maker, including a cleaning disc, brush tool, filter holder, and water filter. I heartily suggest this espresso machine because of all these characteristics. If I move on its specifications, special feature is manual. Product dimensions is 13.8-inch depth, 12.5-inch width and 15.9-inch height. Filter type is reusable. Material is stainless steel. The last product of today's video, which title is Automatic Espresso Maker, made of stainless steel, with a grinder and 35 precise grind settings. If I move on its description, this stainless steel espresso maker with grinder allow you may enjoy a range of coffees, including espresso, macchiato, mocha, and americano. This coffee maker boasts a top-notch steam system. The potent steam wand helps produce cappuccinos and other espresso drinks by rapidly turning milk into smooth, velvety microfoam. With its 35 coffee bean grinding settings, you may prepare a variety of coffees at home and adjust the size of the grinding beans to your preference. Additionally, you can essentially pour 1 cup of coffee from this espresso machine, but you can also pour 2 cups at once if necessary. It is a highly dependable and long-lasting machine. With contemporary technology, you can regulate the proper pressure. With this machine's front-mounted pressure gauge, you can maintain the strength and smoothness of your coffee. I strongly suggest this espresso machine because it comes with a whole set and all the parts you need, including a coffee spoon, cleaning brush, tamper, filter cleaning pin, and more. This sets it apart from other machines and gives it a unique look. If I move on its specifications, special feature is hot water function. Product dimensions is 12.28-inch depth, 10.31-inch width and 12.4-inch height. Filter type is reusable. Material is stainless steel. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Our video for today ends here. If you like any product, links of all products are given in the description for your convenience. Go to the description and order your favorite product. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel for the best upcoming videos.